Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news to share with you regarding the launch of the upcoming Vivo X Flip smartphone. A leaked live image has surfaced online, revealing the outer display design of the device, and the launch is expected soon. So, without further ado, let's get into the details. Vivo is all set to take on its competitors Samsung and Oppo by introducing its first flip smartphone, the Vivo X Flip, in the premium segment. A recent leak by Tipster Digital Chat Station shows the live image of the upcoming Flip smartphone, which reveals the outer display design. Currently, the market has Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Oppo Find N2 Flip in the Flip Foldables category. Now let's take a look at the expected specifications of the Vivo X Flip. According to the leaked image, the device includes a circular camera module, similar to other X series smartphones, which is placed in the top left corner of the phone in the unfolded stage. The cover display sits atop the camera module when folded. Moreover, the leaked image confirms that the device will have a purple color variant. The Vivo X Flip is expected to feature a 6.8-inch FHD Plus main display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a secondary HD resolution display. It may also have a 50MP primary camera and 12MP ultrawide camera by Zeiss, although this is still unconfirmed. The smartphone will likely be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset and come with up to 12GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The device may also include a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and 44-watt fast charging. Conclusion: the company has not yet revealed the launch date, but reports suggest that the Vivo X Flip might be launched this month alongside the Vivo X Fold 2. With these specifications, the Vivo X Flip seems to be a promising smartphone that could give tough competition to its competitors in the Flip Foldables category. So, stay tuned for further updates on this upcoming smartphone. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.